Now we're going to talk about something called the discriminant. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Recall it's what's underneath the square root in the equation. And the value of the discriminant allows you to predict the type of solutions you're going to have, the number and types of solutions you're going to have. So I'm picking on the ones that I already just did here. So we're going to talk about those. So on this one, first one, a equals 2, b equals 1, c equals -3. So I'm going to do b squared minus 4ac. I'm going to calculate that value. And then we're going to look at the table and see where it fits. So 1 squared, and we've already done this, by the way, times 2 times -3 is 25. So I'm going to find which category does 25 belong into. Is it a positive perfect square? Meaning if I took the square root of that, it's positive. If I took the square root of it, would it be nice? Yes, it's a positive perfect square. So it's 25, so I'm going to have 2 rational roots. I'm going to have 2 rational roots because it's a positive perfect square. That's a positive perfect square. Okay, so it's going to be 25. So 25 to the discriminant, and then that tells me I'm going to have 2 rational roots. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, you actually kind of remember what happened here, where it was 0. Okay, we'll talk about it again, but spoiler alert. A equals 9, B equals 24, C equals 16. And I kind of wanted you to see real quickly, and this is a bad mistake on my part. You see how 2 rational roots, I had 2 rational answers on that one. So that this predicted that correctly. Let's talk about this next one, which we know is going to be 0, right? B squared, so 24 squared minus 4ac. I purposely picked the same equations to do discriminants of as we solved because I wanted you to see the linkage here between the two. So the discriminant 0. 0 is the discriminant. And so what is it when it's 0? 1 rational root. And let's look at what we got. When we did this, it was 0, 1 rational root. So it was right. So it works. So it's 0. Right? Let's look at the next one. A equals 3. B equals 2. Make sure it's equal to 0, by the way, when you do this. If you do this on a homework or another assignment. So you get 2 squared minus 4ac. Okay, this was like example F on the previous one. 2 squared minus 4 is 3 times 7, -80. -80, what category does that belong into? Positive perfect square, positive non-perfect square, 0, or negative? This is negative. So if it's negative, what does that mean? It means you're going to have 2 imaginary roots or 2 non-real roots. 2 imaginary / non-real roots. Okay, so depending on the textbook or the kind of whoever you're using, some will say refer to them as imaginary, some say non-real. It's the same thing. Okay. All right, let's look at the last one here. A equals 2, B equals 1, C equals -4. So b squared, 1 squared minus 4, 2 times -4. So 1 squared, 4 times 2 times -4 is 33. What's 33? Is it a positive perfect square? No, because I can't take the square root of that and get a nice one. Positive non-perfect square? Yes, this is a positive non-perfect square. Let's say positive non-perfect square. So if it's a positive non-perfect square, you're going to get 2 irrational roots. And recall real quickly, before I go too fast, I'm already going too fast. When we did C, we got 2 non-real roots. So, like it matches up. When we did D here, we got 2 irrational roots, okay? Because we have an irrational number and square root of 33 in there. There you go.